Okay. Ooh.
We'll go all the way to the top. These are pretty smooth.
Yes.
Like you're not even moving.
Yeah.
You Google steps, Dylan? We got 2 flights of stairs to go up.
Okay. Right.
Yep.
Up here.
Yep. And then lock the door.
Okay.
This is what makes all the elevators work.
Ooh, wow.
These are the big motors that make them come up and down.
Ooh, wow.
Yep. These are all the control panels that access every elevator in here.
Ooh.
So they make, this is what controls everything.
Yep.
A lot of stuff.
Yes.
We got AC units up here that where you can feel all the air comes through here.
Now, which elevator did we come up today?
We came on elevator number 4.
4?
This one. Elevator number 4.
Yep.
That's what elevator we rode up on this one.
Okay.
So pretty cool.
Yes.
As an added bonus, I'll take you out here on the roof and show you a little bit of scenery.
Okay.
All right, let's go this way. What you need. All right, you're on stairs now.
Okay.
You got a big step in front of you.
Okay.
All right. Now you're on the roof.
Ah.
We can't go too far because there's no side on the roof.
Yeah.
So you'd fall off if you got too far. But yeah. Let's walk over this way. This is where your dad's building is.
Yes.
Viva Healthcare.
Yes. I became friends with someone.
Stop right here.
I became friends with someone that's also an elevator filmer, and he went into the Viva Health building to record the elevators over there.
Yeah.
His name is Ivan Reed.
Okay.
And his YouTube channel is called Alabama Elevators.
Yeah, you're on top of the roof up here.
Yes. And
There's
this is
the Regions building
ooh.
right there. Ship building.
Yes.
And actually, if you look right through between the two right there, that's Legion Field.
Ooh.
That's the old ball field. And over here, I'll show you, is you've heard of the new football stadium?
Protective?
Yeah.
I have.
It's straight ahead of you right out there that way.
Ooh.
And Top Golf is right to the right of it right there.
We went to Top Golf yesterday evening.
Okay, yeah, well, Top Golf parking lot's right there, and there's the netting and everything for it.
Yes.
So it's all pretty cool.
Yes. And this is the Edgar building?
This is, well, Edgar's is in the building. This, the building is called the Financial Center.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So, yep.
Yes.
Pretty cool.
Yes.
All right, we'll go back in.
Yes.
Let's go this way.
Okay.
All right, you're gonna have a big step up.
Okay.
There you go. All right, hold where you are.
Okay.
And we're gonna go down the steps. These steps are steep, Dylan.
Yes.
So hold on to the rail.
I always
Don't you
do.
fall.
I always do when it comes to steps.
I'm fixing to come to a landing, and then you're gonna go to your right.
Right.
And we're gonna go down another flight of stairs. All right. We're gonna stop right here and let me unlock the door.
Okay.
How you doing, man?
What's up?
Right here behind us.
Ooh.
Elevator number 4, the one we came up with. Germany,
Yes.
big culture difference.
Yeah, but I mean, I was born in Germany, but my mother is born in Poland,
Okay.
and my father is from Italy.
Okay.
So I'm pretty, yeah.
We're going to
but
stay. This is the 5th floor.
Okay.
It's a huge culture difference in America here.
Yeah, I can imagine so.
It's pretty big. I was in New York for a day and in Philadelphia because I was on a preparation camp, 10 days with other exchange students. It was pretty interesting.
I imagine so. All right, this is us right here.
Yep.